Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford. Drive smarter, work harder. Discover the 2015 Ford Transit 350 XLT today. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet the 2015 Ford Transit 350 XLT, your ultimate hauling companion. Featuring a robust 3.7L flex fuel V6 engine delivering 275 horses and 260 feet-pounds of torque, it's ready for any task, almost. Loaded with conveniences like power windows, locks, and mirrors, plus remote keyless entry for your peace of mind. Enjoy endless tunes via AM/FM radio, CD player, and auxiliary input, all within its comfortable charcoal cloth interior. Its Oxford white exterior turns heads, while its low mileage, under 88,000 miles, and clean Carfax ensure reliability. Don't miss out on this reliable, spacious, and stylish van perfect for your needs. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.